Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. So, this is the second video for accounting for incomplete record in single entry system. We will be focusing on this analysis method. And what I have mentioned in the previous video that we have two types of method to determine the profit or loss. One is capital comparison and the second one is analysis method. So now we focus on the analysis method. Okay, please refer to these questions. The question attached here below, the link for the questions. You can get the question below. Okay, so we have more complicated questions. First, you will be given this cash book and lots of additional information. So see how we answer these questions. Okay, the first question asks you to prepare to show the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 2019. Okay, alright. So sebabkan kaedah ni dia macam banyak sangat cara, so saya tunjuk you beberapa step yang kita perlu lakukan. Pertama, okay, the first step if you have to calculate the total sales. The second step, you have to calculate the total of purchases. Okay, the third step, you have to calculate all the expenses related, including the adjusted information, and for revenues also, and you have to calculate the beginning capital, and then you can prepare the statement of profit or loss, and then next for the statement of financial position. Okay, okay, panjang ceritanya kan. Okay, the first step, calculate the total sales. Okay, how do we calculate the total sales? The total sales for these questions, okay, if you do this company, we have if said in the question that sales, we have two types of sales. We have credit sales and we have cash sales. Macam mana we dapat credit sales? Okay, you will get credit sales from the accounts receivable. Okay, now we prepare the account receivable. Okay, getting the information from the questions, we have okay, see, we will use this beginning balance for accounts receivable, which is from the 1st January 2019. That is the number 7620. Okay, then kita nak dapat dari mana? Okay, now we focus dekat cash book. Dekat cash book ada maklumat account receivable. Kalau you tengok belah kiri tu, itu bermaksud you dapat duit, okay, daripada account receivable. So maknanya account receivable you akan berkurang. So you will put the 5,600 dekat belah kredit. Tapi kalau you nak senang cerita, tak nak fikir panjang, you tengok dekat cash book belah debit kan, then this number will go to credit. So, kita pergi ke apa lagi berkaitan dengan account receivable. Ada dalam additional information, if you can see there, ada bad debt amounting to 250 written off. Maknanya kat sini dia terus written off 250 daripada account receivable. So you will credit this information because it will reduce accounts receivable value. Okay, now we need the ending value for the account receivable getting from the 31st December information. So 2990. Okay, now you calculate, you total belah kredit tu, you dapat 26840, and then you bawa ke kiri, then you letak nombor tu 26840, and then you tolak beza dia. So the difference is the missing figure is the credit sales. Okay, so you calculate lah. So you tolak 26840, you tolak dengan 7620, you will get this number. So this is the credit sales. Walaupun di credit sales kita tak tulis dalam perkataan tu credit sales sebab ni nama account. Okay, so we have already credit sales amount. So now we want to find the cash sales. Oh, ni senang. You akan cari dekat cash book saja. You perhatikan dekat cash book tu ada perkataan sales tak? Ada dua. Ada satu cash sales, satu lagi dapat duit dekat bank. So you combine both numbers and you combine dengan credit sales. Dan you akan dapat total sale. So this is your total sale. Okay, dah dapat tu kan, simpan dulu. Okay, sekarang you simpan. Simpan. Sekarang kita akan calculate purchases pula. Cara dia kan sama juga dengan cara you kira purchases, sales tadi. Okay, kita first kira credit purchases. Kalau sales, kita cari dekat account receivables. Kalau credit purchases, kita akan cari dekat accounts payable. Okay? So, accounts payable, dia punya balance akan letak dekat credit. So, you will get the number from the beginning information. So, you akan dapat 750 dekat 1st January. Okay? And then, kita nak cari maklumat berapa kita dah bayar pada kita punya payable ni. Okay, kita cari dekat cashbook lah. So, ada dekat maklumat kat situ, kita bayar dengan cash kita punya. So, kita bayar, kita nampak kita bayar accounts payable tu 500, kita dekat debit lah sebab account payable kita berkurang dekat debit kan. Okay, so habis. Cari lagi. Ada tak apa-apa pasal accounts payable? Oh, akhir sekali kita ada ending je lah. So, ending kita dekat belah debit lah. Dia terbalik lah carry forward kita kan. Okay. So, now you total dekat balance belah debit tu. You akan dapat nombor. Bawa ke kanan. And then, kita akan dapat satu missing figure di situ lagi. So, that missing figure is actually purchases. So, you tolak lah. Okay. You tolak, dapat nombor. So, that number is purchases. What is the kind of purchases? That is credit purchases. So, that is the number. Okay, now we want to find the cash purchases. Kan senang tadi, kita cari dekat cashbook saja. Cari perkataan purchases. Ada tak perkataan purchases? Ada. So, kita ada dua. Satu dekat cash, satu dekat bank. You total. You combine those numbers. Then you will get the total for purchases. So this is the total for purchases. Alright, so far we have calculated the total sales and total purchases. Now we go to the third step. So we need to calculate the expenses. Okay, what is the expenses that we want to calculate? First, you nampak tu additional information. Kita nak cari yang mana ni? Oh, okay, kita cari kita ambil daripada nombor 4 tu dulu. Okay. Insurance has been paid 1st September 2019 for a period of 1 year. Okay, maklumat macam ni. Alright, apa benda ni? Ni sebenarnya adjustment dekat topik 5. Actually, this topik adalah combination kepada semua topik daripada topik 3 sampai topik 10. Okay, so this is adjustment for insurance. Okey, katalah dia kata dia start bayar 1 September 2019 untuk 1 tahun kan. Jadi insurans tu berapa yang dia start bayar tu? Kamu tengoklah kat dalam soalan tu. Okey, maknanya kalau you kira 1 September dia akan habis 30 Ogos tahun depannya. Alright. So, tapi kan tutup account adalah pada 31 Disember di tengah-tengah. Apa yang you kena kira sebenarnya adalah belanja insurans yang berlaku sebelum tutup accounts. Okay, which is only 4 months. Alright. Now, we will get the number from the cash book. You nampak situ. Kita ada bayar insurans 1,500. So, kita hanya cari 1,500 tu. Kita hanya cari untuk 4 bulan saja. So, maknanya you have to times 4, but you have to over 12 to get only 4 months punya value. So the value is 500 only. Okay, so this is insurance expense incurred during the year. Okay, now kita dah dapat insurance expense. Okay, sekarang cuba kita buat accounting insurance expense. Try tengok Okay, kita tengok insurance expense kat mana. Okay, ini adalah profit. Okay, 500 tadi kita cakap adalah insurance expense kan. So maknanya dia akan dibawa ke income statement dan akan dimatikan dengan profit or loss. Okay, so what is that? That is the number dekat belah debit tu adalah 1,500 tu adalah nombor yang you datangnya daripada cashbook tadi. Sebab you tengok tadi ada cashbook dapat 1,500 kan. Okay, so kita turun bawah, kita bawa ke kanan, tengok apa benda yang kita nak cari ni sebenarnya. Okay, kita nak cari yang ni, carried forward figure. So that carried forward figure actually is the missing figure in this situation. So we have now ending prepaid insurance. So nombor ni kita ready tau, nanti kita nak buat financial position. So now we have two information related to the insurance expense. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3. Okay, now number 4. What is that? So we need to calculate the revenue adjusted. Apa revenue yang ada dalam soalan ini? We have commission revenue. Okay. Now to get the clear information, okay, untuk dapat pasal commission revenue, kita buat accounting for commission revenue. So kita akan ambil nombor tu daripada first kita tengok dekat beginning information. You lihat dekat beginning information tu kita ada accrued commission dekat belah okay, what is that? Commission ini adalah hasil. So baki awal dia. Right. So baki awal commission, accrued commission ni kita letak dekat debit, kerana accrued commission adalah accrued revenue. Accrued revenue adalah asset. Okay, so baki awal kita letak dekat 600 tu dekat debit. Okey, dekat kredit kita letak 9,900 dekat tempat bertentangan dengannya. Okey, saya kena komen sikit part ni. Nampak macam kenapa ni kita sedang buka account commission revenue? Kenapa kita ambil maklumat daripada accrued commission? Okey, this is only for calculation. For your information, kaedah ini sebenarnya tidak betul dari segi konsep accounting, tapi kita nak cuba mencari value for revenue, kita terpaksa gunakan accounting, which is actually commission revenue mana ada baki awal dan baki akhir sebenarnya. Okay, you kena bear in mind that idea. But this one, this time we use this commission revenue accounting only to calculate this one. Okay, so now, okay, kita akan ambil commission. You nampak situ dekat cash book, dekat belah debit tu ada commission cash. So you bawa ke kredit, sebab belah sana belah cash book debit. So now the 1450 dekat kredit. Okay, apa yang kita nak cari? Kita nak cari missing figure. Okay, what is the missing figure? You will minus the total with the bring forward figure. So you will have this number. So what is this number actually? So this number actually, you will bring this to the profit or loss statement. So this is actually the revenue incurred, revenue recognized for the year. So now and the carried forward figure tu you kena bear in mind that is the ending accrued commission revenue. Okay, now simpan dua benda ini, simpan dua maklumat ini untuk maklumat kita yang keempat. Okay, sekarang apa lagi kita punya step seterusnya, kita akan calculate beginning capital. Yang ni adalah step yang kita kira macam kita pernah buat dekat capital comparison, kaedah capital comparison. So we need to, alright, now the first step is you total all the beginning assets. Okay, now kita total, saya hijaukan dekat situ, maknanya itu semua assets. And you will minus, jangan lupa dekat asset tadi tak ada cash. So you kena cari cash dekat beginning cash tu dekat cash book. Ada kat situ tu 1550 tu. Dan jangan lupa bank tu pun asset juga. Alright, you campur. And then you akan dapat total. So this is all the beginning assets untuk dalam soalan ni lah. So now we calculate the beginning liabilities. So you just take the rata payables and accounts payable, dapat 2. Okay. Now you tolak dua benda ni, kita dapat beginning capital. Settle. Habis. So we have beginning capitals. Alright. So sekarang kita akan barulah kita nak prepare profit or loss and statements of financial position. Okay, sekarang tarik nafas. Penatnya ajar topik ni, panjang ceritanya. Sekejap ya. First, we want to prepare the statement of profit or loss. Okay, we start with the sales. Okay, macam mana kita nak isi maklumat sales? Tadi kita dah kira kan. Okay, jadi you just masukkan saja nilai 39020. And then you minus the cost of goods sold. We will start with beginning inventories. Okay, the number is coming from the beginning information from the table given in the questions. Okay, we have 9,300 there. And then we plus with the purchases amounts. We just calculated. You bawa saja. Kita tolak tepi sikit sebab kita nak campur sikit dengan kita nak tolak dengan drawings tu. Drawing dalam kes ni adalah hanya drawing for goods. Iaitu barang niaga. So dia ada ambil 150 for personal use. You minus first. And then this is your cost of good available for sales. Okay. And then minus the ending inventory given in the question in the table. So dekat tarik ending information tu 1,500. So this is your cost of goods sold, and you minus from the sales you will get gross profit. Okay, next we will plus the commission revenue. Okay, macam mana kita nak dapat commission revenue? Kita dah kira tadi. So just ambil saja 10750 and then continue. So next we will put the operational expenses. Now we have the first one is insurance expense. As calculated just now, the insurance expense incurred during the year is 500. And then apa lagi? Depreciation expense. Macam mana tu? Sekarang baru kita nak kira ni. Tadi kita belum kira. Okay. Depreciation expense for all fixed asset. Okay, sekarang kita tengok fixed asset kita. Kita ada building and furniture. So for building and furniture, kita darab dengan 10% given the questions. So you will have 4,500 and 563. So the total for this one kita akan masukkan dalam income statement. Okay. So habis salary expenses lagi. Mana nak dapat? Daripada kita just ambil daripada cash book. For certain expense dia tidak ada adjustment. So you just take the number from the cash book. Sebab dia hanya ada cash transaction saja. You just plus the cash and banks transaction, you will get that total. Right now we want to calculate the rent expenses. So ada issue sikit dekat rent expenses, ada adjustment sikit. So macam mana kita nak buat? Macam tadi juga kita buka account rent expense and kita lihat dekat cash book ada maklumat pembayaran rent expense. Dengan menggunakan cash. So kita record di situ. Cash kita dah bayar cash sebanyak 1,400. Dekat debit kita letak debit sebab tadi dekat kredit kan duit keluar. Okay, sekarang rent expense, tengok di situ dekat rent expense. Ada maklumat pasal rent expense baki awal dengan baki akhir. Jangan lupa. So sebabkan ini adalah rental payable, so dia liability. So baki awal dia you akan letak dekat credit, and baki akhir dia you akan letak dekat debit. Okay, so you total, you cari the missing figure. So the missing figure is actually the interest, the rent expense. Okay, so kita sambung lagi. Apa lagi belanja yang ada? Jangan lupa bad debt. So bad debt we just ambil sajalah nombor dia tu 250, terus letak je lah dan kita namakan dia bad debt expense. Okay, so finish all the operational expenses. You total the operational expenses. Then you will minus from the total gross profit plus the commission revenue. You minus the operational expenses. You will get that 23,740. That is our net profit for these questions. Okay, so finish. Now we want to prepare the financial positions as at 31st December 2019. So we will start with the current asset first. So kita akan ambil daripada maklumat mana dulu? Okay, kita nak kira cash. So kita ambil daripada cash book. Kita ambil dekat bahagian cash saja. Total semua. Total, so you dapat situ 15,000. Ini belah debit tu. And then you akan tolak dekat belah credit. Okay, bila you tolak dua tu, you akan dapat balance of the cash. Okay, so you bring the number to the financial position. Okay, we go to the bank information. Sama juga, same goes to bank. We total the debit and we minus with the total of credit. So now you will get the balance for bank accounts. Okay, bring the amounts to the financial position. Okay, habis. So apa lagi current asset yang kita ada? Mestilah dia ni. Current asset yang kita ada ialah inventories. Kita ambil yang ending saja, inventories. And then kita ada account receivable. Ambil yang ending saja, jangan lupa. And then ada lagi tak? Okay, jangan lupa tadi masa kita kira tu kita ada accrued commission revenue. Nombor ni datang masa kita kira commission revenue tadi ya. Kalau you termiss, you patah balik dekat part tu tadi, you cari. Okay. So, prepaid insurance, ini pun kita ambil masa kita kira insurance tadi. Okay. So, this is all the ending information for the current asset. So, the total for non-current asset pula. Okay, sambung. So, for the non-current asset, we have building and furniture. You just total the number. You ambil number tapi jangan lupa. Okay. Kita ada accumulated depreciation. Datangnya dari mana? Tadi masa kita kira depreciation tu, so the same number will go to accumulated depreciation for both building and furnitures. Okay. So you minus each asset with the accumulated depreciations, you will get the net profit, the net realizable value for the non-current asset, and then you total the non-current and current asset. So this is your total for assets 100 and 14,137. Okay, we finished the asset part. Okay. So we want to continue for the current liabilities part. And the rest. Okay, so we will be getting the number from the ending information. So account payable kita ambil yang akhir saja. Rental payable kita ambil yang akhir saja. Okay, this is our total accounts payable and rental for the non-current liabilities. You total. Okay, so loan kita ambil. Macam tiba-tiba ada jumpa loan ni. You jumpa dekat cash book, you dah dapat perkataan loan. Dia dapat duit daripada bank. Okay, so this is the total for liabilities. Okay, cukup ke? Okay, ada lagi kan? So next we go to honest equity. So honest equity is coming from the calculation that we just calculated for the beginning capital. Okay, now we plus with the net profit we just got from the profit or loss statement we just calculated just now. Okay, and then minus the drawings. So drawing you have to total 150 plus. Ada lagi. Jangan lupa. Dekat cash book ada drawing dekat duit cash tu. So we have two types of drawing here. We combine first. And then you put the number dekat honest equity. And then this is your total honest equity and liabilities. You total, you dapat. Okay. Tengok. Kita ambil balik yang sebelah current, sebelah asset tadi. You tengok. Samalah current dan current liabilities and assets dengan current liabilities with honest equity. Okay, so habis. So itu sajalah untuk incomplete records. Bahagian analisis method ni bahagian susah sikit. Bukan susah, banyak cara. Leceh sedikit, tapi saya percaya kamu boleh buat. Jangan risau, ulang balik video ni banyak kali. Okay, so thank you very much for lending your ears and learning together with me. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera.